So you know when you see us doing a parallel, go. We do whatever. You don't go more than but here we're doing a professional take. So yeah.
When parking, you come from the front. You park it from the front. You want to get inside that box. So with this type of a vehicle, which is quite long, you need to have your backlight in the back of the vehicle, close to the first drum, which is closer to you. The moment it gets there, you stop. When you stop, you look to the right, that direction in which you want to go. So, like I said, actually, you can actually see two things to see if my vehicle is okay now inside the box, so that I can turn the other side. From this point, I'm making my first movement. The one that I was making, actually, when I was moving back, I won't count that movement until I get my drum gets close to the backlight. The moment it gets to the backlight, I lock completely to the right. When you lock to the right, inside the box, you lock to the direction of the box that you want to get in. So this time around, I'm parking to the right. So when I look to the right, there are two options, the things that I can see. One, I can see this door and the door line here, coming close to the line, the first line here. Or I can check my mirror, that is if it's raining. I can check my mirror and see the second drum or the corner that is far to that right rear end. So the moment I move, I'll be checking on that line, the mirror. It's optional. You can check on the mirror or you can check to see if this thing gets close to the line. When it gets close to the line, that's the very same moment that you see the drum the other side. So the front of the vehicle can come to the first drum here. So this time around, when I'm making my second movement, my eyes will be fully focused on the back line there to see if I won't go through if I go through all the lines. So that's other place. So this is now the third movement. The second movement, this is the third and final movement which I'm making. I will have to see if this line and the body of the vehicles are parallel. The moment they get parallel, I stop and straighten out. And also get behind the vehicle and get ahead of the vehicle. It must be even from the right side, coming from the back and the front. Under normal circumstances, there is a vehicle, and there is a vehicle ahead of us. So you won't just change and move. You will need to draw back a little bit. But while you are drawing back, you need to have this front of the vehicle looking to the left side where we want to go. So you can turn slightly to the right and monitor your line again. The moment that you turn, it's creating more space so that when I look the other side, don't get close to the ground.